everyone, and welcome to our new show, Awesome Science with Scarlett. I'm Stacey. I'm Scarlett's mommy, and I'm a real scientist. And every week we're going to debut a new experiment where Scarlett asks why and science answers. But first, what we need to talk about is safety. So we have, Scarlett, you want to stand up? Show everyone you're safe here. So we want to wear a lab coat. We want to wear long pants, closed-toed shoes, eye protection, and gloves. And don't attempt any of these experiments without help of your parents or an adult. Got it? In Scarlett's case, we have these really cool sunglasses. But these are probably more appropriate. Okay, so today we're going to learn how to blow up a balloon on its own.
You're gonna show me how to make a balloon.
Yes, we're going to blow up a balloon on its own, which is pretty much like magic. So we have our vinegar. This is vinegar, which is very acidic. We need a plastic bottle, a plastic spatula. We have a funnel, sodium bicarbonate, and our balloon. And most importantly, our procedure that we want to follow. So first, Scott, you want to watch? You want to help? Here, hold the bottle. No, okay. We're going to pour a little vinegar in here. That's Alina, our studio assistant in the background. All right, Scarlett. Will you hold this balloon, please? Hold the funnel. Here, hold this funnel. We're going to attach the balloon to the funnel, and we're going to pour a little bit of sodium bicarbonate in with the use of the spatula. Actually, we don't need a spatula here, but we'll use the spatula. Get it in the balloon. You can get a close-up. Okay, so we have the sodium bicarbonate in the balloon. And what's going to happen is we're going to attach the balloon to the top. The sodium bicarbonate is going to mix with the acid. And it should blow up all on its own. Because what happens is it creates carbon dioxide in the bottle. Today we're going to do an experiment where a balloon blows up by itself. My little helper here does not want to wear her gloves, so disclaimer, she is not going to be touching any of the chemicals, correct? Yes. Okay, so what we're going to simulate is the creation of carbon dioxide within this bottle, and that's going to blow up this balloon. We're going to do it using vinegar because it's acidic. We're just going to pour a little bit in this empty plastic bottle. And sodium bicarbonate, which we have our funnel and our balloon. We're going to pour the sodium bicarbonate in the balloon with the funnel. You can also use a plastic spatula to help guide it in. There we go. And now we attach it to the top of the bottle. And once the sodium bicarbonate mixes with the vinegar, it blows up by itself.
It's cool.
How cool is that?
Why is that popping up?
because we mixed the right ratio. So if we want the balloon to get bigger or smaller, we just have to increase or decrease how much sodium bicarbonate we add to the vinegar, right? So if we want to blow it up, okay, stop filming for a second.
Record.
So now,
I need to fix my sunglasses. They're
Okay.
the wrong way.
cool. Okay. So now we're going to increase the ratio of our vinegar and our sodium bicarbonate because we want to create more carbon dioxide. You want the yellow balloon?
I hope it blows up really fast and pop.
You want it to pop?
And I want to say kaboom.
Kaboom. Okay. Trying to get as much in there as we can. And as with all experiments, we'll see what happens. Okay. Almost in there. Okay. Ready? Let's see what happens. The expectation is they'll create enough carbon dioxide to blow up the balloon. This might be the perfect amount.
Baby is saying kaboom.
Kaboom! Okay. Okay, let's try this again. As with science, sometimes you have to try things over and over. Reminder that Scarlett is not wearing her gloves.
Mommy, if we lose, we try again.
That is right. That's a very good life advice to Scarlett. Okay, so we're going to pump up the volume.
I'm clapping my hands.
Yeah, we're just gonna dump it all.
Why?
Why? Because we want the balloon to pop, right? So we need to really amp up the volume of vinegar to sodium bicarbonate. Science is messy. You think it's gonna work this time? We're just gonna fill up as much of the balloon as we can. All right, that's pretty much the whole balloon. Okay, keep eyewear on at all times. You should also be having your gloves on, but she's not touching anything.
I'm not. I can only have this.
That's it.
I can only hold this.
That's
And
right.
I can hold my goggles.
That's right, but you're not gonna touch anything else. Okay, sit back, all right? All right. It's good you're not wearing gloves because we wouldn't take our gloved hands to rub our eyes. You ready? Okay, then you goggles on, glasses on, sit back, maybe get back a little more steps. Okay. Ready? You think it's gonna work? This is like the max. It's going into the balloon. It's still not popping. The balloons are too strong. Maybe just let it. We'll just let that carbon dioxide build. Maybe we'll shake it a little. Shake it.
Bobby, maybe I can pop it with my finger.
No, we're not. We are not going near this with your bare fingers. Keep your goggles on. Never take your goggles off until the experiment's finished.
Uh-oh. It fell down.
Okay, put it back on.
Wait,
Okay, I don't think it's gonna blow up, Scarlett.
why?
But we can blow it up a different way. Okay, so sometimes science, you have to approach it with a different method. Put your goggles on, please. Thank you. Okay, ready? And
Kaboom!
be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And every week on Sundays, we'll come out with a new experiment.
Bobby, I can take my goggles off when it pops.
That's right. The experiment is over. Thank you for joining us with our first segment of Awesome Science with
Scarlett.
Scarlett. See you next